Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, we are meeting again for this week teaching and learning pdpr. I think this is the 5th pdpr that I have been conducted, even though finally we will face to face next week. I hope you are well. And I'm glad and I'm excited to meet you all in the class. Okay, this week we will continue our pdpr, our lesson on unit 1. Today we continue into this page. Okay, look at your screen. Look at the table. I, he, she, they can and can't dive. Can you, he, she, they dive? Yes or no? I, he, she, they can or can't. Okay, so this is how to use can and can't. Can and can't, cannot. Okay, for example, I can dive. Can you dive? No, I can't. He can't dive. Can she dive? Yes, she can. Okay, read activity 1 and choose. Chris can or cannot play football. Number 2, Kelly can or cannot play football. Number 3, Kelly can or can't paint. Number 4, Gary can or can't paint. Number 5, Gary can or can't do karate. And finally, Sam can or can't dive. This is following the previous page last week punya regarding the four paragraph that I have been instructed you to make 4 paragraph. So from the story you answer this activity 1, and then activity 3, listen and take. This no need because you must listen. Okay, number 4, look at activity 3 and write. Can look and Simon play basketball. Number 2, can Luke do karate. Oh, yang this one, look at activity 3. Look at the pictures. Even though we do not listen, but we use the picture. Okay, we use the picture, the number picture in the number 3. You complete the exercise number 4. Can Luke and Simon play basketball? Okay, number 2, can Luke do karate. Number 3, can Jessica dive. And number 4, can Jessica sing and dance. Okay. Number 5, write. Tick right for I can and cross for I can't. Then ask and answer. Okay. Can you dive? No, I can't. Dive, play basketball, do karate, dance and sing. Okay, yeah, you, your friend. Okay, for this exercise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you and your friend. Okay, your friend. Macam mana buat Nama your friend's name. For example, Ali. Tanya dia, can he dive? Kalau dia he say he can dive, just put right. If no, just put cross. Okay. So make 5 friends. Yeah, 5 friends. For example, Ali, Abu, Ahmad, Acong, Mutu, Maniam. Okay, 5 people. Ask them, Ali, can you dive? No. So put cross. Ali, can you dive? Yes. Okay, put right. That's all. Okay, that's the activity. Okay, now we continue into page 10. Let's play. This is about clock. This is how you read manual clock. Analog, not digital. Digital with numbers. This is with handle, jarum. Kalau jarum, analog clock. If numbers, digital clock. So how to read analog clock in English? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3:30. It's 3:30. So, what's the time? What's the time? Pukul berapa? It's 3 o'clock. What's the time? It's 3:30. How to nak beritahu 3:30. Setengah tu macam mana? So in English, it's half. It's half. Pas selepas. It's 3:30. So 3:30. So for example, number 1, look and listen then play. Number 1 is 10:30. This one is 9:30. It's 9:30. Okay, and then this one 2. It's 2 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. This one is it's 12:30. Okay, this one is 11:30. It's 1 o'clock. It's 3:30. Okay, this one is 7 o'clock. This one is 12:30. This one is 10 o'clock. This one is 8 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 8:30. Okay. What's the time? It's 3:30. Okay. So that's all how you read analog clock. Okay. So your activity, apart from just now, in page 9. Okay, this time, please complete all this clock. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For about 12 o'clock. Okay, I want you to redraw the clock. I want you to draw only circle or rectangle clock only. Okay, only circle and rectangle clock only. Tak boleh yang lain-lain. Hanya petak dan bulat saja. You draw again. Fill up again the numbers, the handle, jarum. Okay. And then, after you draw, below the picture, write the time. What is the time? It's 3:30. Okay, right. Macam mana? I want you to I want you to know whether you understand or not. How to read analog watch. Okay, analog clock. Okay, I will create a Google form as usual to you fill up in the Telegram, and then you submit them. Okay, you submit them in the Telegram. For now, not yet. Okay, just wait. Okay. Okay, that's all for this week. This week pdpr. We repeat again. For this week, we are learning how to read analog watch, analog clock, how to say, how to build sentence to show what's the time using analog clock. Okay, this time there are two ways. First, the exact clock, sharp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another one is setengah. Okay, for exact clock, what time is now? Is 3 o'clock. This one is simple, just 3 o'clock. But if setengah, it's 3:30. Okay, this is the way how to tell how 3:30. Okay, it's 3:30. Okay, I think that's all for this week. I hope you remember how to read analog watch. I close our pdpr with surah wal as. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal as, innal insana lafi khusr illa allazina amanu wa amilus solihat wa tawassaw bil haqq wa tawassaw bis sabr. Tasbih kafarah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika illa anta asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.